Well, hello everybody. Welcome to this tutorial for the mantra Radhe Radhe Govindha. It's me, Esther, with my ukulele, and thank you, Maria, for your request for this mantra. I hope after this tutorial you can play it and shine your light all over the world. So let's see how we can play Radhe Radhe Govindha. Well, before I'm going to show you the chords which you use for this mantra, I want to show you the strumming pattern that we're going to use for Radhe Radhe Govindha. And it's called the Island Strum. And it's a rhythm of a down, down, up, up, down, up. So say it with me. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, for example, let's take the C chord. Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret and then on the A string. The A from Amsterdam, the Netherlands, where I'm from. Not from Amsterdam, from the Netherlands. Anyway, the C chord. Let's practice this pattern down, down, up, down, up. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Last time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you got that, let's go further on to the chords which we use. The chords for Radhe Radhe Govindha are C, F, and G. So C. You place your ring finger on the 3rd position or the 3rd fret from the ukulele, on the A string from Amsterdam. For the F, you place your middle finger on the 2nd fret and then on the G string, and your index on the 1st fret and then the A string from Esther, my name. And then you got the F, and then G, lose your wrist. You put your index on the, the C string, so 2nd fret C string, middle finger on the 2nd fret A string from Amsterdam, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string from Esther again. And it sounds like this. So lose your wrist, C, F, and G. So what I'm going to do now is play this mantra without lyrics, but just singing the chords. And after this part, I will put everything together with the lyrics. So get in position C. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. C and C and F, F and G and C. C and C and F, F and G and C. Let's go to F. F, F and C. Go to F. F, F and C. F, F, F and C. C, G, C. Let's rock this mantra, Radhe Radhe Govindha. Are you ready? Let's go to C, and I'm counting down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Radhe Radhe Govindha, Govindha. Radhe Radhe Govindha, Govindha. F, Govinda Gopala. F, Govinda Gopala. for the more advanced players under you guys, you can also bring a chuck in this mantra. Then you stay on the island strum, but you just you put a chuck on one down strum. So let me introduce you that on the chord of C. So it's down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's do it with me. Let's do it slow. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. If you want to know how you chuck, what you do is that if you bring the strumming down, let me get to see, you just put this mouse, how do you say that in English? I don't know, like this from your thumb, you block the strings with. So you make this movement and you chuck. So with this place of your thumb, if you strum, you mute it with this part. So chuck, chuck, and normally you make this movement, and then you twist your wrist. Maybe I'm not the best explainer of the chuck, but I'm sure if you Google or if you look at YouTube, you will find loads of tutorials for chucking. I'm going to show you now how you can play the mantra with chuck. Are you ready to chuck the mantra Radhe Radhe Govindha? I am. Let's go in position C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Radhe Radhe Govindha Govindha. Radhe Radhe Govindha Govindha. Govinda Gopala. Govinda Gopala. Govinda Gopala. Gopala. I hope you can play now the beautiful mantra Radhe Radhe Govinda. If you would like, please give your thumbs up to my channel, subscribe, share it with everybody who loves ukulele mantras, and what else? Yeah, I put my email down below, so if you would like, you can share your skills and your development with the ukulele, and yeah, I'm curious how you guys are playing these mantras. Oh, and last but not least, I really want to thank also somebody who's helping me a lot with my logo for my ukulele mantra. Yeah, you call it ukulele mantra designs. She's calling Irene. I put her website below. She's amazing if you want to do something with graphics. She's a graphic designer and she's really spiritual, a beautiful person, lovely heart, and she shines a light, and she really understands what I want to do with ukulele and with the music, and to connect people. And it's amazing what she's making for me, and I will share it soon with you on my tutorials, like thumbnails, and you can show my logo as well, because I want to do some classes and mantra evenings and stuff like that, and you know, get everybody, you know, like feeling abundant, you know, like together, like we are doing, but it's now on YouTube. And well, I just want to say, because I'm so grateful what she's doing for me, and thankful, and also for you guys, that you keep progressing, and that you making the singing of mantra with ukulele possible over the world, you know. Shine your light and keep on practicing, and thank you so much again for watching and following me, and yeah, I'm really grateful for that, and I love you all. Thank you so much. Namaste. See you next time.